fast and stable internet with this Cat8 Ethernet cable. Boom. Some little clips so that you can mount these on your walls. And I didn't know I needed a new Ethernet cable until my internet started disconnecting and showing a lot of slow refresh, and it was just really slow. So I replaced the Ethernet cable and it's so fast right now. And people say, oh, Cat8, you don't need Cat8. But trust me, Cat8 has better installation than other Ethernet cable. Better than Cat7, better than Cat6, better than Cat6a, better than Cat5, better than Cat5e. Cat8 is like the best one you can get right now. And it's just a little bit thicker than the other ones. And for my peace of mind, because it has such good tolerance, I don't need to worry. Because if you install your Ethernet cable and you bend it over here, bend it over there, and you bend it a lot, some of the cable inside actually gets damaged over time. And it's not that it will turn off completely, it might still work, which is the problem with my old cable. It worked, but then the quality was really bad, and you don't realize it until you change to a new cable. So this one is the Boken cable, and it's Cat8, and it's solid. I mean, look at the quality of the end pieces right here. These are RJ45. You have the anti-snag here. These cables are rated indoor and outdoor for up to 40 gigabit per second. So it's very fast. They are the Boken Cat8 Ethernet cable right here. This is some solid stuff.